Hello friends, it's Yuchen here, and today I'm going to be reading you a ridiculous story of The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. When the cat in the hat steps in the mat on one cold, wet day, Sally and her brother are in for a wild roller coaster ride of havoc and mayhem. With its riotous rhyme and zany illustrations, Dr. Seuss's best-loved books has delighted generations of young readers, showing just how much fun learning to read can be. Alright, here we go. And he has a suspicious smile on his face. Like, hey, I'm doing something not so good. We'll see. Alright, the cat in the hat. The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play, so we sat in the house at that cold, wet day. Poor Sally and her brother, that's Sally. So you can, obviously it's raining here. Yeah, that bird's not too happy about it. He's like freaking out over here. I think like a raindrop just hit his head. See? So the tree's drooping. Not a good day. Definitely not a good day. I sat there and Sally. So I guess that's the brother. We sat there, we two, and I said, how I wish we had something to do, right? Too wet to go out and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house. We did nothing at all. Aw, poor little kids. I feel bad for them. Very bad. Now they fly inside. Oh, it looks like they got a pet fish. And oh, they do have some toys here. And that looks nice. There's a ball. I don't think they're in the mood to play with it right now. Though, all we could do was sit. We did not like it. No. Not one little bit. And then something went like bump. How that bump made us jump. Oh, even the fish is freaking out. Hey, why is the sky so blue? Oh gosh, here comes the trouble. We looked. Oh gosh, like what happened? The fish is freaking out. Is that you, cat in the hat? We looked, then we saw him step on the mat. We looked, then we saw him. The cat in the hat. He said to us, why stare like that? I know it's wet. It's raining. And the sun is not sunny. But we can have lots of good fun, and that is funny. I guess the cat in the hat is kind of the good character right now. See, he's got a smile on his face, entering the door, but he's kind of not supposed to just thump on a door of somebody's house. Well, maybe they know each other. They probably do, but he's not supposed to disturb them. Everybody confused. Why is the sky lighter? This is so weird. Look, the sky's so blue. I know some good games that we could play, said the cat. I know some new tricks, said the cat in the hat. I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Or will she? Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother's out of the house for the whole day. Oh gosh. Well, mother doesn't want to leave alone. Alright, let's see the cat in the hat. But our fish said, oh, the fish is arguing. No, make that cat go away. Tell the cat in the hat you do not want to play. He should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out. Ooh, the fish is a good argument. Now, have no fear, said the cat. My tricks aren't not bad, said the cat in the hat. Why, we can have lots of fun if you wish. With a game I call up with the fish. The fish doesn't look too happy about that. I think maybe the cat in the hat's tricks are a bit too silly for the fish. Maybe the children. Definitely not for himself. Definitely not for himself. I agree, right? Put me down, said the fish. This is no fun at all. Put me down, said the fish. I do not wish to fall. Oh, the fish does not fall happy. Have no fear, said the cat. Oh gosh, what's he doing now? He's pretty amazing, but what would happen if he falls? Have no fear, said the cat. I will not let you fall. I will hold on to you high as I stand on a ball. Oh gosh. With the book in one hand, the cup on my hat. Oh. And that's not all I can do, said the cat. What is that? Look at that picture. And then the fish is like screaming. Oh my word. Look at me now, said the cat. Cup and cake on top of my hat. I can hold up 2 books too. I can hold up the fish. The fish is like, I know, I don't want to be like this. Put me down. I can hold up a little toy ship. I can hold up some milk on a dish. Oh gosh. And I can hop up and down on the ball. Hopping on the ball, that's actually impressive. That's not all. Oh no, that's not all. Oh my gosh. Look at me now. It's fun to have fun, maybe. But you know how? If you don't, but you have to know how. I can hold the cup, and the milk and the cake. I can hold up these books and the fish on the wreck, okay? I can hold up the toy ship and a little toy man. And look, with my tail, I can hold a red fan. I can fan with the fan. Okay, I gotta hop on the ball. But that's not all. Oh no. That's not all. It is all. He's gonna cause some chaos here. That is what the cat said. Then he fell on his head. He came down with a bump from the ball, and Sally and I came with a bump from up there on the ball. Sally and I, we saw all the things fall. And the fish came down too. He fell into a pot. Oh, is a boar burrowing from the pot? He said, "You act like this." "Oh no, I do not. This is not a good game," said our fish as he licked. "No, I do not like it. Not one little bit." Oh, the cat's still falling. That's not good. I guess he's not looking for the pot. So I guess there's no water in the pot. Maybe there's a bit of water. I'm not sure. Oh, God. He is so mad. He's still in the pot. He's like scolding. "Now look what you did," said the fish to the cat. "Now look at this house. Now look at this. Look at that. You sank our toy ship, sank it deep in the cake. You shook up our house, and you bent our new rig. You should not be here when our mother is not. Get out of this house," said the fish in the pot. But I think the cat in the house. I think someone feels sorry. Or maybe. "But I like to be here. Oh, I like it a lot," said the cat in the hat to the fish in the pot. "I will not go away. I do not wish to go." "And so," said the cat in the hat, so, "I will show you another good game that I know." Is this a good game? Well, see. And then he ran out, and then fast as a fox. Ooh. The cat in the hat came back in with the box. A big red wooden box. It was shut with a hook. "Now look at this trick," said the cat. "Take a look." Ooh. Well, what's the red box going to be used for here? It looks like he got that red box off his shoulders, and you're like, okay, I guess that red box be used for something. Okay, so that's. Then he got up top with the tip of his hat. "I call this game fun in a box," said the cat. "In this box are two things I will show you now. You will like these two things," said the cat with a bow. Maybe, maybe not. Are they things? Are they things? Well, there's thing one, thing two. If you've ever read some Dr. Seuss books. "I will pick up this hook. You'll see something new. Two things. I call them thing one and thing two. These things will not bite you. They want to have fun." Then out of the box came thing two and thing one. They ran to us fast. They said, "How do you do? Would you like to shake hands with thing one and thing two?" They're really playful. Yeah, they do want to have fun. Sally and I did not know what to do, so we had to shake hands with thing one and thing two. We shook their two hands, but our fish said, "No, no." The fish is pretty strong here. "Those things should not be in this house. Make them go." They should not be here when your mother is not. Put them out, said the fish in the pot. Have no fear, little fish, said the cat in the hat. These things are good things. And he gave them a pat. They are tame, oh so tame. They have come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet, wet day. Now here's a game that they like, said the cat. They like to fly kites, said the cat in the hat. No, not in the house, said the fish in the pot. They cannot fly kites in the house. They should not. Oh, the things they will bump. Oh, the things they'll hit. Oh, I do not like it, not one little bit. Then Sally and I saw them run down the hall. We saw those two things bump their kites on the wall. Bump, thump, bump, thump, bump. Down the wall in the hall. Oh, they sure are causing them chaos here. I don't think people like it, but thing two and thing one. They ran up, they ran down. On a string of one kite, we saw Mother's new gown. Oh, her gown with the dots that are pink, white, and red. Then we saw one kite bump on the head of her bed. That's not good. But then those two things ran about with those big bumps, jumps and kicks, and hops and big thumps, and all kinds of bad tricks. And I said, I do not like the way they play. If Mother could see this, oh, what would she say? Not very happy here. Looks like she got pulled by a string, and she's kind of blending the mess here. They got tangled. Oh no, the fishes. Oh, is the mother coming back? Then our fish said, look, look. And the fish shook with fear. Your mother is on the way home. Do you hear? Oh, what will she do to us? What will she say? Oh, she will not like it to find us this way. Oh, I see her then. Do something fast, said the fish. Do you hear? I saw her. Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of thing one and thing two. Oh, the fish. Talking to the thing one, thing two. We're still finding the kites. 3 minutes in. So as fast as I could, I went up to my net and I said, with my net, I can get them, I bet. I bet with my net I can get those things yet. Oh, they're pretty happy. They did get them. I'm kind of happy. Not so happy though. They let down my net and I came down with a plop. I had them at last. Those two things had to stop. Then I said to the cat, now I do as I say. Pack up those things and you take them away. Oh dear, said the cat. You do not like our game. Oh dear, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame. I feel bad for the cat. Well, maybe his games are a little too, but Then he strapped up the things in the box with the hook, and the cat went away with the sad kind of look. That is good, said the fish. He has gone away. Yes, but your mother will come and she'll find this big mess. And this mess is so big, so deep and so tall, we cannot pick it up. There's no way at all. Well, the cat in the hat sure has made some big messes with thing one and thing two. Not the right thing to do. And then, who's back in the house? Why, the cat. Have no fear of the mess. But this mess, said the cat in the hat, I always pick up after all my playthings. And so, ooh, he's a pretty responsible cat here. Maybe he is a good guy. I will show you another good trick that I know. And we saw him pick up all the things that were down. He picked up the cake and the rake and the gown and the milk and the strings and the book and the dish and the fan and the cup and the ship and the fish. And he put them away, and then he said, that is that. And then he was gone with the tip of his hat. Then our mother came, just in time. And he said to us, did you have any fun? Tell me, did you have any fun? What did you do? Sally and I did not know what to say. Should we tell her that the things that were there that day? Should we tell her about it? Now, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you? Well, let's answer that question in the comments below. What would you do if this story happened to you and your mother happened to ask, hey, what did you do? Did you have fun? What would you do? Well, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.